To create an account, type in your email address and choose a password. Then go to your email and confirm your address. So once you get your email address and password and sign in, this is what you'll see. You'll see the tracker. You're being brought to the purchases page. Here's a dashboard and reports, categories, and payees. So the first thing you'll need to do is add some payees. So let's do that first. So I'm going to add a few payees here that I've come up with. So once you have the payees, you can see you can either edit it or delete them. So I don't need to edit it since I just put it in there. So I'm going to add a few payees. And you don't need to sit here and watch me add payees. So what I'll do is I'll just fast forward past this part. So now that I've got the payees added, I'm going to add categories because I like to be able to categorize my payments. So let's start adding. And you can select the color. It's not necessary, but so now I have my cell phone here, and I can of course change the color if I want to edit it and just update it. And like I did with the payees, I'm going to add several categories. And you don't need to sit here and watch me do that, so I will fast forward past this too. Okay, now that I've got the categories added, now it's time to add some purchases. So let's say I want to add my cell phone bill. So this is, you just give an item name, the date, and how much it is. Category, payee, you can add notes. And you could also add a receipt. So for now, what I'm going to do is add a receipt. I have a test receipt over here. And I can add the purchase. So now you see I have the purchase, category, my note, the amount, and my test receipt here. I can delete it if I need to, or if I need to edit it, I can come back and edit. So instead of saying cell phone, I'm just going to put telephone. Save the change, and there we go. So I'm going to add a few more purchases. Again, you don't need to sit here and watch me, so I'll just add them and come back and show you what I've done. Alright, now that I have all the items in here, I'm going back to the dashboard, and you'll see that the dashboard will show the total spent, obviously for 2025 because I've only got that 1 year, the items purchased, the number of them, and the average order, and this is how much I spent in the current month. Now I'm going to go to purchases, and it'll show all of my purchases. I can now sort them by category. Well, I have something that's uncategorized because I wasn't quite sure what to put the toiletries. So what I can do is edit this, but before I do that, I'm going to go to categories, and I'm going to add a category, and I'll just put toiletries. And pick any color and add the category. Now I'll go back to my purchases, and I'll select the uncategorized. I'll edit it and change this now to toiletries. So now I don't have anything that's uncategorized. I can go to my payees to see what I purchased. First, let me clear all of this. So if I want to go and see what I bought at Amazon, I have it there. I can pick a date range. I can do a quick filter in the last 3 months. But remember to clear it all because it was just showing what I saw, what I purchased in Amazon. But that's pretty much the whole thing. It's easy, nothing complicated. Now, if I wanted to run a report, I go to reports and I can say I want to run a report by month, by category, starting January 1st. I'm going to run the report, and here it is. This shows me the month of September. I spent $7.90 and 46 cents. These are the categories. And you can save the report. I might as well save the report. As of 9/20, what is today? The 28th, 25. Alright, so that report is saved. Now if I want to run another report, just by payee, well, I only have one item per payee. So that's not a very good report to run for me at this time. But I will run some other reports to show. I'll add some more items, but you get the drift. You can export it, or you can export PDF, or you can print it. So it's a very simple app. This is the printable copy of it, and that's it. You can edit and add more categories, payees, dashboard, purchases. And as you can see here now, all 12 are categorized.